Hi everyone, Angela here. In this video, I'll show you how to attach a tassel to a skinny spaghetti strap or cord. If you want to learn how to make spaghetti straps, I'll leave a link for my tutorial down in the description. If you want, you can add beads with larger holes in the center. Cut the end on a sharp angle and thread in the beads. Push the beads away, tie a really tight knot, and trim the end off. I'm using blue DMC Embroidery Floss for the tassel and a contrasting color for the neck. From the main color, cut a strand that's slightly longer than the length of the skein. At each end, separate the loops and cut. Remove the paper and divide the strands in half. Fold one half, matching the ends to find the center. Place the strands vertically, centered onto that single strand. Next, place the end of the strap on top with the knot just below that single strand. Now place the other half on top, covering the knot. With the single strand, tie all together nice and tight with a double knot. The ends should be about the same length as the other strands. Fold down the top strands and pull tight over the knot. Smooth all the strands down so that it looks nice and neat from the top. For the neck of the tassel, cut a strand that's about 3 times the length of the skein. You can use the same color or a contrasting color. From one end, measure the length of the tassel and place that on top. Create a loop at the bottom and then hold that loop and the tassel near the top. Working downwards, wrap that other end around the top of the tassel nice and tight, about 1/2 inch from the top. Wrap around 5 or 6 times and then thread the end through the loop and hold tight. Pull the top end until the loop disappears in between the neck. If you're using the same color, just leave that bottom end, otherwise trim both ends close to the neck. If you want to make the neck a little stronger, use a pin to apply a tiny bit of glue that dries clear onto the ends. To help trim the ends, wrap a strip of paper tightly around the strands and cut at the desired length. Pull the beads down on top of the tassel and comb the strands out with your fingers. I hope you give this a try. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.